Today we're diving into Mazda's latest game changer, the 2025 Mazda CX-70. Designed to rival premium brands like BMW and Lexus, this midsize SUV perfectly balances luxury, performance, and practicality. Let's explore why it's making waves in the automotive world. Under the hood, the CX-70 offers two powerful options: a standard 3.3L inline-six turbo engine delivering 280 horsepower, or a PHEV variant with an impressive 323 horsepower. Both promise thrilling performance paired with exceptional efficiency, ideal for modern drivers looking for both power and sustainability. Step inside and you're greeted with a near luxury interior. Premium trims feature Nappa leather seats, real wood accents, and advanced tech like a massive 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mazda's focus on craftsmanship makes this cabin a standout in its class. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The CX-70 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and advanced parking systems, ensuring peace of mind during every drive. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about Mazda's push into the luxury SUV market. Finally, the CX-70's design speaks volumes. Its bold grille, sculpted body lines, and premium finishes give it an unmistakable presence. Starting at around $40,000, this SUV delivers style, performance, and features at a price point that undercuts its luxury rivals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting car reviews on future concept cars.